Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you the better portraits and portrait mode at 5x on your Google Pixel 11 Pro XL. So first, let's open up the camera, and from the camera, I'm quickly gonna switch the mode to the lens selection auto, and now we're gonna switch to portrait. As you guys can see here, we have 1x, 2x, and 3x, of course. We're gonna also try the telephoto right here, the 5x one. It should also work really great as a portrait. So let's start off with the portrait on the 1x. I'm gonna be taking pictures of this flower right here. So we need to tap on the subject and it tells me to move back. So let me just try and move back a little. Now let me place the phone like this so you guys can see how it looks like. We're gonna press it and now we have the picture. So let's take another one. Let's take 2x now, and let's quickly see the difference. So it's of course processing the high resolution photos, and this is our this is the first one. Let me just go over. This is the 1x, and it looks really great. The background is definitely blurred, which is a big plus for the portrait. This is the 2x, and it also looks good. You cannot really see the background, although it's mostly white and dark right here. It's still great. And now the 5x. So we're gonna do the 5x right here, and let's just grab the phone. I'm gonna take some space. And as you guys can see, these are the results. So here the 5x also blur the background a little, not by much, but we can clearly see the details. I'm pretty sure it's better than the most of the portraits. So let's switch to 12 megapixels now. As you guys can see, now we can use the 5x portrait, and let's go over, take a picture. And this is our 5x portrait. Looks pretty similar, I cannot lie. You can also see every single detail, and there's basically no difference in those pictures. So that's how the portraits look like. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.